Alright guys, so I'm going to show you to stop someone from viewing your story for your Snapchat. Now it's pretty simple, so first in the top left corner, just press on your profile. And then in the top right corner, press on the gear icon for the settings. And then you're going to scroll down some. And you see under privacy controls, so it says view my story. Alright, so this is for all your stories. And then after this, I'll show you for an individual story. Alright, so if you want, you can set it to everyone so it's public, or just your friends, or the third option here is custom. Now, whoever you press on this list will be blocked from seeing your story. So this, for example, I pressed on Team Snapchat, so they won't be able to see my story, but iVideos YouTube would still be able to. Alright, so once you're done, press block at the bottom. Okay, now for your latest story, it's going back to the main page. Alright, so just for example, I'm going to make this my story. And go into my profile. Alright, so you see under my stories. So to the right there's 3 dots. So just press that and go to story settings. And from here we have that same option. So if you want to change it here, let me unblock them. And hey guys, so there is to it. So hopefully this helped out.